I'm recording right now. You can see that purportedly, according to this purported virus thing, you have to drop off your clothing, and it's going to be at the self-service price. They told me when I came out that I had one big load that normally at most places would only cost me $4.50. And then it cost me about $2 to dry, so it would have been $6.50. She told me to give her 10 or 15, so she wasn't even being righteous. So I'm standing here. What she did was she brought my stuff out and told me I had to pay 10 to 15, and she's taken my stuff inside. She won't take my money from me. She's taken my stuff inside, and she won't give me my things.
Hey, now?
I want my things.
You have to pay for it, honey.
You didn't tell me it was that much, and that's way overpriced. And you won't let me explain how that's way overpriced.
Thank you very much.
You are an evil woman. I recorded her. You just saw the recording of it. She wouldn't let me have my things. She wouldn't let me have my things, and she thought it was going to frighten me if she called the police, and it doesn't, because I've recorded the whole thing. So that's this laundromat. You saw the picture of you saw the lady, the laundry. They're forcing you to do drop-off only. They say it's the same price, but she's lying and saying each one of those machines is $5. It's never been before. They put it in a big machine here. They won't let you go inside. There's no way. There's never been a machine like it takes only 35 minutes to dry this much of clothing, and it's $25 per 6 minutes. So that's like less than $2 worth of quarters. So they've ripped me off and taken $10 of my money. So I just want to record this and show. She threatened to call the police. So I just want to record and show that that's happened to me.